Hello everyone! Today I would like to introduce Generalscan's P10 series industrial handheld scanners. Generalscan's P10 series scanner is an industrial handheld barcode scanner designed specifically for the manufacturing industry to read DPM barcodes, which are usually etched or printed directly onto parts or products by laser, chemical, etc. This is a feature that most general-purpose barcode scanners do not have. The Generalscan P10 series of scanners are ruggedized to withstand drops, bumps, dust, and moisture for industrial or outdoor use. The P10 is a wired version with USB and serial port capability, and the P11 is a wireless version with a 1200 mAh battery that can be used for an entire shift or more, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. The Generalscan P10 series scanners utilize adaptive lighting technology, which allows the scanner to automatically adjust the intensity and angle of the light based on the surface characteristics of the barcode. This is especially useful for reading DPM barcodes, which can be etched or printed on a variety of materials with different reflectivity. The lighting system is designed to minimize glare, which is critical for scanning barcodes on shiny or reflective surfaces. Since DPM barcodes have a significant impact on external fill light and reading angle, please refer to the reading distance of different models for scanning. Below, we demonstrate how to use the P10 series wired and wireless scanners. First, please use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen the data cable screw stopper at the end of the P10 wired scanner, and then plug the RJ45 end of the USB cable into the end of the scanner. Make sure that it is plugged in tightly and securely. Then use a screwdriver to tighten the screws on the end of the scanner. Finally, plug the USB end of the cable into the USB port of your computer to use the scanner. Below, we introduce how to use the P11 wireless scanner. First, insert the RJ45 end of the USB cable into the RJ45 port of the charging communication base, and then insert the plug of the power adapter. Open the battery compartment at the end of the P11 wireless scanner. Put the batteries into the battery compartment, then close the battery compartment cover and lock the clips. You can also adjust the height and angle of the base by turning the knob on the side of the base. When you have adjusted the angle, please lock the knob. If you are using presentation mode, the angle and height are very important for reading barcodes. If you are using the scanner in handheld mode, follow the steps below to pick up and set down the scanner from the base for charging and data transfer. When the scanner is properly placed on the base, the green charging indicator will light up and the wireless connection indicator will light up. Please refer to the user guide manual on the Generalscan website for the meanings of the various indicator lights. There are 3 mode indicators on the front of the scanner that allow you to switch between 3 different operating modes when you press the center circular selector button. By default, Mode 1 is autofill, and a long press automatically switches between white, red, and blue fill. Mode 2 is a red low-angle fill light. Mode 3 is the blue dome fill mode. You can customize different backlighting modes for different barcodes through Generalscan's EasyScan software. We start to introduce the installation and use of Generalscan's EasyScan software. Please go to Generalscan's website to download the software, which only supports the Windows platform, and it is recommended to use the version of Windows 10 or above. After the program is installed, please click the plus button in the upper left corner to connect the device. At this time, the software pops up the device selection dialog box. Please click Search Serial Port Device, and EasyScan software will automatically search for the device. When the device is searched, the software automatically pops up the device model and serial number. Please click Connect to connect. When the scanner is successfully connected, it will enter the configuration interface. You can see that there are 3 user mode on the left. You can configure different scanning parameters are saved to 3 different modes, and then in the process of using the scanner, you can press the scanner in the middle of the circular selection button for mode switching. There are 3 types of scanning parameter settings, namely image setting, decode setting, and the output data format setting, data editing. First, image setting. You can set the type of fill light. There are high beam, low angle light, dome light read, dome light blue can be selected. The exposure mode can be selected from fixed exposure mode and automatic exposure mode. You can manually adjust the gain and exposure time to manually adjust the appropriate parameters. You can manually adjust gain and exposure time to manually adjust the appropriate parameters. You can also adjust image filter 1, 2, 3 to change the graphic filter parameters. Next, you can set decode setting to enable different symbology and data editing to set barcode prefixes and suffixes for output. Finally, it is to demonstrate the process of manually adjusting the exposure and gain to set up the DPM barcode and finally achieve successful decoding and reading. After you have set up various parameters, please press F3 to save the parameters to the scanner. After you successfully save the parameters to the scanner, you can press the circular selection button in the center of the scanner to switch between the 3 modes to achieve the best scanning results. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact Generalscan's technical support engineers or on Generalscan's official website. Click on the online support button to get real-time technical support. Goodbye.
Generalscan. Scan mobile world, decode creative future.